Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to prepare one typical Bengali dish which is called Sish Palonger. So for that I'll take you to my kitchen garden because I'll collect that something from my kitchen garden which I'm going to use in my this recipe. So let's go there. Make Sish Palonger. Sish Palonger means this is the palak spinach. These are the palak spinach. This part you can see where the seeds comes. Basically this part gets bit hard later on. So I'm going to cook this part only from all the plants. You can see here as well where the shish comes. So let me start cutting. So you understood now what is Sish Palonger? Yes, I am growing this palak in my pot and which are very fresh. It's nice to have. And these are my today's collection from my kitchen garden. This is my today's shopping, this Sish Palonger. So let's go ahead and let me show you how do I make this Sish Palonger recipe. For this dish, I am using potato and brinjal. Add salt as per your taste and turmeric. By the time this vegetable become soft, I'll prepare the masala what I'm going to use here. Here I'll use 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, pinch of salt and 1 green chili. Add Sish Palonger now. So I'll put it in the steam now for 2-3 minutes till that potato becomes soft. Now I will add this mustard and poppy seeds which I made this with green chili and salt. I'll put this paste into this. To add extra flavor, I'll add 1 teaspoon of mustard oil here, but that's optional. If you don't like mustard oil flavor, don't add it. Sish Palonger chorchori is ready. Yes, in Bengali we call it chorchori. So it's ready. Serve it with steamed rice. You'll love this recipe. So try it and let me know how did you find this recipe. So thanks for watching. That's all for today. See you on my next video. Take care. Bye bye.